Oh, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna do a review of this Calbee fishball taste. Curry fishball. It is one of the new flavors that Calbee came up with. It's okay. It's quite hard to open. Oh, there's a little notch. It smells like curry fishball. Okay. One good point to it. Oh, it's, what do you call this? Ruffle? It doesn't look like a normal Calbee chip. Smells like fishball. Wow. Very crispy. Does it taste like fishball? Just a little bit. Yeah. Again, would I buy it the second time? Probably not. Again, another one of their fabulous creations, but I wouldn't buy it the second time. Yeah. Very thick. How can we say? The crisp is very thick. No, sorry, Calbee. I don't like it. Okay, I am here today to taste test or do my review on these. What is it? It's ube and chocolate. And we left it out, Dairy Farm, but Nestle bought Dairy Farm. Oh, I don't know. I don't know the details, but here. Whoa, we left it out. Too soft right now, but I like it soft. Ube, guys, ube. Well, this is the cardboard, no, wood spoon. It's got a very coconutty taste. And then definitely taste the ube. Going for the chocolate. Everyone likes chocolate. Again, I left it out too long. Way better, guys. The chocolate is a must-have. This thing, Nestle, chocolate. Yeah. Really good. Very soft. It's got a chocolate taste to it, but it's not a bitter chocolate because I think this is not dark chocolate. It's just normal chocolate. I love it. Ube, both very good. Must have ice cream in Hong Kong. Sorry, I'm breaking out. I'm trying to finish this as quick as possible. It's good. Bye.